Alright, so in this video I'll be talking about the game object lifecycle, the sprites, and then, well, I already did the visualizer, and then the math tools, the color, and then the documentation. And then after this video I'll show you all of the command pattern stuff. So in the game object itself, for the game lifecycle stuff, I have an enable, a disable, and a scene enter, and a scene exit. So if I go in the CPP, the disable basically just calls the submit update deregistration, and then the draw deregistration, and then the enable calls the registration deregistration. Scene enter, peek at that. Actually, I'll even use the scene enter, so never mind. Just as disable and enable. So let me scroll up really fast. Sprites. Okay, sprites. So sprite. Oopsies. So indigo sprite. I'm able to set an angle, set a scale, set a position, set a center, which is kind of wonky, and then I can render it to a camera, and then I update the sprite every time that I obviously set something new. So the initial sprite, it will load with a set rectangle of the image that you give it, and then it creates a new sprite with whatever image, and then it uses a built-in model, a built-in shader, and the rectangle that we had just created. So then I set the world stuff, and then I update the sprite as is. Set angle, scale, position, everything is there. Let's look at this. Let's see. Okay, math tools. Math tools are not there, not there. Tools. Alright, so PW math tools. I didn't realize it was PW stood for periwinkle, so it's in the system as PW now. But math tools. So the only thing that's really going on here is the intersect, which is used for the collision. Looks at the two different collision volume B-spheres, and then determines if they are touching or not. Pretty simple. And definitely it's not a singleton, it's just as a static method. Let's do the colors. Colors are pretty easy, we all like colors. So they are just static const vect, colors. They are not singletons at all, so that's good, but you call them. So like black, I have white, I have light gray, dark gray, red, and blue. Pretty simple. I then have, I guess I could show you the documentation now, and then I'll show you in the next video all of the command pattern. So here's my website. It is 0.3 version. I want to know how to put stuff on this front page. I couldn't figure that out. So I have all my classes. All my stuff is here. I have files. You can see all the files here if you really want to. Obviously, you can look at them again. File members, stuff like that. So I think it was in, let's see, class. No, it wasn't class list. It was class index. No, file list. I think. Oh, there we go. So if you want to obviously see the, you know more about this than I do, obviously, but you can click on these files and you can see all of the fun little pictures that they describe. Let's see, classes. I have some just basic descriptions. So I guess we could look at the alarmable, if my internet will load. Ha! Oh, there we go. Wait, no, okay. There we go. So, just basic, descriptions. And I did this for, everything. So this wasn't really that hard. Just kind of time consuming to like describe everything, I guess. Collidables, whichever. Let's see, documentation, and obviously I gave code examples wherever it was, if something was used in like the user code. So let's do drawable. So drawable, like obviously, if you're inheriting in the frigate or something, you have to like say, clicked on drawable. You have to publicly, inherit, whatever it's from. Let's see. My thing keeps on, there we go. Let's see. Alarmable. Yeah, pretty simple. Got some code here. Oh my god, I keep on clicking on everything. You get the picture, obviously. Alright, now next video will be the command pattern stuff.